So you've probably seen those channels that break down blockbuster movies, right? They're everywhere, racking up millions of views, growing fast, and yes, they're making serious money. The crazy part? Most of them aren't even making original content. Shocking, isn't it? You might be wondering, are these channels even monetized? Okay, we check it first. Copy the link of that channel and just go to any monetization checker site. Paste their channel link and see for yourself. YouTube is absolutely approving these channels. So grab a coffee and watch this video till the end. Don't skip a second, because I'm about to walk you through the easiest and fastest way to create your own movie explainer videos and start building a channel that actually earns. And no, this isn't just hype. Let me show you a sample I whipped up in under 5 minutes.
The opening scene features a man named Milo Stanfield who is suffering from autism spectrum disorder, or ASD.
Sounds good? Okay, let's move on. Step 1. Pay very close attention. If you skip around or miss key parts, you might end up confused or violate copyright laws. I don't want that for you. So promise yourself, watch carefully. If you still get stuck, drop a question in the comments. I'm here to help. Step 2. Find the movie clips. We're going to get our clips from Chinese websites that host thousands of movies. The best part? No account needed. One of the easiest sites to use is called Kuaishou. You'll find the link in the description. If the site doesn't load, just use a VPN and try again. Now here's the trick. Since the site is in Chinese, English movie titles won't work. So don't worry. Just go to the top corner. Here you'll see the Google Translate logo. Click on it, then click on English. And boom, problem solved. Now click on the search bar. Here, write movie, explain, and search. Hover over any video to preview it. When you find the one you want, click it, then copy the URL from the top of your browser. Step 3. Download the video. This is where many people get stuck. Pay attention. Go to Google and type Go Downloader Kuaishou. Click the first result. Make sure it's the legit one. And change the site language to English if needed. Paste the copied link from the Kuaishou site into the downloader, hit download now, and once the thumbnail shows up, click 720p. Then a new tab will open. Just click on the 3 dots and download. Boom! You've got your movie clip. Step 4. Translate it to English with an AI voiceover. Before we continue, hit like and subscribe if this is helpful. You'll also find my Instagram in the comments. DM me anytime if you need guidance on your channel. To translate the video, we'll use a powerful tool called Capcut. It's easy, clean, and gets the job done fast. Click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Use a temp email if you want multiple free accounts. After verifying your code, log in and click Create New Project. Choose your aspect ratio, 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok, 16:9 for YouTube. Then upload your clip. Once it's in your timeline, click Dub Video. Select the original language, Chinese. Then choose English as your target. Then hit Dub. Let the system work. It may take a minute. When it's done, preview the dubbed version. If you're happy with it, export it as an MP4 and download. Step 5. Final edits with Capcut, where the magic happens. Now it's time to polish your video and make it yours. Open Capcut, start a new project, and upload your dubbed clip. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Adjust the video to fit the screen, trim any dead space, and make sure there are no watermarks or foreign subtitles. Add your own watermark or channel logo for branding. Click text greater than plus. Type your channel name, pick a stylish font, reduce opacity, and place it somewhere neat. Want captions? Click Auto Captions, choose English, and click Generate. Boom. You've got captions ready. Make them pop with different fonts, sizes, and templates. Once everything feels cinematic and smooth, export the final video. You've now created a fully edited, voice-dubbed, copyright-safe explainer video using free tools, without even recording anything yourself. Upload it to YouTube, watch for any copyright flags, you likely won't see any, and start growing your channel. And there you have it, a system that actually works. If this helped you, smash that like button and consider subscribing for more content like this. Drop your questions in the comments or DM me on Instagram. I'm always rooting for new creators. Want to go deeper? Check out this video. Catch you in the next one.